Welcome, here I've got ASUS ROG Phone 5S and let me show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. The volume buttons here are from the right, so let me try to use them now to see how they work with the camera. And as you can see now, by tapping on them, I can easily take a picture. To change that function, let's go to left corner button, so we can open camera settings. And now we have to slide a little bit down to other category. Here we can find set volume key as option. When we pick it, we can change it between shutter to zoom. So let me pick zoom now to show you how it works different. And let's move back to camera. Now let me try to use volume buttons once again. And as you can see, I can easily get closer to my subject now and also move back so I can use zoom. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.